everyone, I'm Priscilla Urbana and I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of making a straight-through cable. The following items are the materials and tools used for making Ethernet cable. Cable tester, cable strippers, crimping tools, UTP Cat6 cable, RJ45 connector, scissor, and ruler. Step 1. Strip your cable. Use your cable strippers at about 1 to 2 inches from the end of the cable to remove the outer jacket. Step 2. Spread the 4 pairs of twisted wire apart. Cut 6 cables have a spine that will need to be cut. Step 3. Untwist the twisted pair wires and neatly align them in the T568B orientation. White, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, and brown. Step 4. Cut the extra wire. Cut the wires as straight as possible, about 0.5 inch above the end of the jack. Step 5. Carefully insert the wires all the way into the modular connector, making sure that each wire passes through the appropriate guides inside the connector. Step 6. Push the connector inside the crimping tool and squeeze the crimper all the way down. Step 7. Repeat steps 1 to 6 on the other side of the cable if you are making a completely new cable. Step 8. Use cable tester to test each pin. This is the result of making a straight-through cable. If the numbers that are blinking are 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, then it is correct. Next video is crossover cable tutorial.
Good day, I am Cyrene Fragonero from 2ITB. I'm gonna show you today how to make the crossover cable. So we need the crimping tool, UTP cable, the RJ45, and of course the cable LAN tester. First step, we need to get the UTP cable and the crimping tool. So, using the crimping tool, strip the cable jacket in 1.5 inches. Then, untwist the paired wires and neatly align them. Align or arrange the wires into crossover cable, which is the white green, green, white orange, blue, white blue, orange, white brown, and brown. Once the order is correct, bunch them together in a line. So, get the crimping tool and cut the the excess wires. Now, get the RJ45 and simply push the wires. After we simply push the wires in the RJ45, we need to get the crimping tool to give it a tight squeeze. On the other side of the crossover cable, we need to again strip the cable jacket in 1.5 inches. Untwist again the paired wires and neatly align them. Arrange the white orange, orange white green, blue white blue, green white brown, and brown. So again, once the order is correct, bunch them together in a line. Get the crimping tool and cut the excess wires. Get the RJ45. Remember, when you putting a RJ45, make sure the wires are correctly in order. Make sure the color are in order or in sequence. Get the crimping tool and give it a tight squeeze na. So, this is the output of our crossover cable. To test this, we need to use the cable LAN tester to test each pin. So, if the numbers are blinking are 13, 26, 31, 44, 55, 62, 77, and 88, then it is correct. So now, this is the output on how to make the crossover cable. Thank you for watching. God bless.